A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rectified spirit contains alcohol about 5%. Rectified spirit contains alcohol about 95%. What is the capital city in Libya? Tripoli. Tripoli is the capital city of Libya. Which country is the largest producer of coffee? Brazil. Brazil, largest producer of coffee. Mount Lagon is the highest peak in which country? Mount Lagon is the highest peak of Canada. Study of life in outer space is also known as exobiology. Study of life in outer space is known as exobiology. Who has the longest tenure as President of Pakistan? Muhammad Ayub Khan. Muhammad Ayub Khan has the longest tenure of President of Pakistan. Founder of modern astronomy was Copernicus was the founder of modern astronomy. Television signals are converted into light signal by diode. Television signals are converted into light signal by photodiode. Yeast is used in making bread because it produces carbon dioxide. Yeast is used in making bread because it produces carbon dioxide. Twinkling of star is caused by refraction of light. Twinkling of star is caused by refraction of light. When Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission was established? 1956. Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission was established 1956. Cobalt is a material which is used strongly attracted by magnet. Cobalt is strongly attracted by magnet. What is the main component of bones and teeth? Calcium phosphate. Calcium phosphate is the main component of bones and teeth. The function of hemoglobin is transportation of oxygen. The main purpose of hemoglobin is transportation of oxygen. Short-sightedness can be corrected by using concave lens. Short-sightedness can be corrected by using concave lens. World's famous desert Simpson is located in Central Asia. Simpson Desert is located in Central Asia. Cellulose is a polymer of sucrose. Cellulose is a polymer of sucrose. Scientific study of birds is known as ornithology. Ornithology is the study of birds. Shah Jahan Mosque is located in Thatta. Manchar Lake is situated in Jamshoro. Marvi folk story of which language? Marvi is a folk story of Sindh. Which of the following is also known as wood alcohol? Methanol. Methanol is famous as wood alcohol. It is the first member of alkyne series. Acetylene. Acetylene is the first member of alkyne series. The following is present in ripe grapes. The following is useful in the chemistry of photography. Silver bromide. Thanks a lot.